Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the heating element assembly in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because your dishes aren't drying properly. For this repair, we'll be using a 3/4 inch wrench. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool, and now keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So we're going to open up our dishwasher here, and we're going to take out the bottom rack and set that off to the side. Then we're going to close up our dishwasher again. And I want to lay down a towel in front of our dishwasher just so we don't scratch up the floor, because we're going to be laying it down. And we'll move it back a bit. And now we'll tilt the dishwasher back, nice and gentle. And now we're going to want to unplug our heating element. So these two wires down here are going to unplug it. And now we've got two nuts as well that we're going to have to remove. So if they're tight on there, you're going to want to use a 3/4 inch wrench or an adjustable wrench and loosen that up. And once you got it loosened up, you're going to do it the rest of the way by hand. And loosen that up a little bit. Same thing on this side. There we go. Now we can set our dishwasher back up again. And open up our dishwasher again. And make sure that if you don't have this in your wall or anything, it's going to have a tendency to tip forward. So you might want to use some kind of weight or something to hold it down while you do this, just to make it a little easier. So now you can pull the heating element straight up and out of the holes in the back there and remove it from the dishwasher. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement heating assembly. It comes with the heating element itself and the two nuts. And if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll put the heating assembly back into place, and underneath the arm right there, and into the bracket that holds it into place there, and then finally back into the holes in the back. And once we got it in there, just make sure it's all pushed down, and we'll close our door up and we'll tilt it back again. And now we'll put the nuts back into place, and we'll just screw it in hand tight as you can get it. And just make sure you give it one more turn with your wrench, making sure not to over tighten it when you do it. And same thing on this side. There we go. And now we can plug it back in. And now we'll open our dishwasher back up, and we can put our lower rack back in. And once you've got the rack back in, slide it in, close up your door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.